Sikia damu yako ina taste vibaya sana. Hadi Dracula amekuwa vegan.
Hey, crotch mouth. Yeah, you zip it, or I'll come up there and zip it for you.
Uh-oh, Richard! Oh, wow!
Sticks and stones?
You know what, SJ? Just turn forward. Just pick up the camera and keep shooting. Come on.
Oh, wow!
Well, the featured phrase seeks to mean that physical attack may injure me, but a verbal attack cannot injure me. We live in a world where cyberbullying and the likes are prevalent. Is it true that really words do not hurt? They say, or we say, the greatest battles take place in the mind. So in short, if words will never hurt me is a thing, it means that if I am hurt by those words and I can't really explain that I'm hurt by those words, I will try to show it. I will try to look for a physical mark to show that I've been hurt by your words. There's actually a condition called the non-suicidal self-injury, where one causes harm to their body in order to cope with the emotional pain. In other words, it's a struggle since they can't validate their emotions. Hence, the physical injuries act as a validation to the emotional pain. And to some, the idea of experiencing a pain which is intangible is quite incomprehensible. Hence, physical pain is much easier to understand.
Most people, emotional numbness begins here. They stop caring about their job, they quit paying attention to their health, and they get bored with their lifelong passions.
NF caught my attention with his words in his song.
And the mind is a powerful place, and what you feed it can affect you in a powerful way. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah, but it's not always safe. Just hang with me, this'll only take a moment, okay? Just think about it for a second. If you look at your face, every day when you get up and think you'll never be great, you'll never be great. Not because you're not, but the hate will always find a way to cut you up and murder your faith.
When I was younger, probably an adolescent, I had this habit of speaking ill to myself. I would actually take all the negative things that people had said and I would actually speak them to myself. Yup, stick and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. Well, the words did hurt me and I liked when they hurt me. I get the intention the phrase had, to try and encourage the attitude of indifference to insults or any other verbal abuse. But you may not always be indifferent to the words. So what's the take home? To those who have mastered, but words will never hurt me, I think they wake up to their song every day. But to the ones who words hurt, like the breaking of bones, every day, every single day, and you heel talk yourself every single day, well, try and be strong. Try and grow some thick skin that you may differentiate between positive and destructive criticism. To the ones who words hurt sometimes, it's life. We got good days when we are immune to hurtful words, and we got other days where every single word sounds like an insult. Sticks and stones may break my bones, and words, hey yo, words may hurt me sometimes, okay? But they will never break me. And that's okay too.